Hey guys, it's me Winex, and in today's video I'll show you how to get 4K quality. So let's jump straight into After Effects. First arrange your clip and render it. Also you can use my render settings, so feel free to copy them. Now import the rendered clip into Topaz and copy my settings. Make sure to upscale it to 2x. Once that's done, bring the clip back into After Effects and set the composition size back to normal. Now render it again and pass it through Topaz one last time. Finally, bring the clip back into After Effects to apply the color correction. And don't worry if you don't have a good CC. You can download the exact one I'm using right now from my Discord server.